Nancy. And my name is Christine. And today we'll be making Oreo cake pops. You will need Oreos, a Ziploc bag, wax paper, sticks, white chocolate chips, cream cheese, and a tray. First, you're going to crush the Oreos. After crushing the Oreos, we're going to pour it into the bowl. For the decoration at the end. Now get 8 ounces of cream cheese and mix it into the crushed Oreos. This is how it should look like after you add the cream cheese. Make sure you add wax paper so it doesn't stick onto the tray. Balls and place them on the tray. Now that you have placed the balls on the tray, you're going to put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. While that's in the fridge, grab another bowl and pour in some white chocolate chips. Put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After you take it out of the microwave, mix it around and repeat the process so it can melt. After 30 minutes, take them out and put them on the table. Now it's time to dip them in melted chocolate. After you dip them in chocolate, put them back in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Now they're ready and it's time to eat. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and make sure to follow us on TikTok at AU Twins. Bye!